I just got back from the studio, giving it a good scrub. I picked up a few essentials. I picked up one piece of our flooring so that we can lace them down when we're doing some classes from home here and putting them online. I figured I'd go over a couple of things. First thing is, if you want to get your own piece of flooring, you can use Ballet Marley, but that's pretty expensive. Another thing that you can use, you can get at a hardware store like Lowe's or Home Depot, and it's called shower pan liner. It's what you put down when you're installing a shower to waterproof it. So you can pick some up if you want, but that's not essential. You can do class on a hardwood floor or on tile, even on a thin carpet. Another thing I picked up, I grabbed one of our portable bars. You can hold on to anything. I can even hold on to the side of the truck, but I figured if you wanted to make your own portable bar, it's very, very simple and not that expensive. So let me show you how to do it. The materials I like to use for making my own ballet bars is 1-inch galvanized pipe. I like to use galvanized because if you don't, believe it or not, the sweat from people's hands over time will cause the bar to rust. When I was a kid, the bars we used were metal and not galvanized, and before every class, we had to wipe the rust from yesterday's classes off of them, and it was pretty gross. Depending on the length of pipe you can get at your hardware store, you can make these bars as tall and as long as you like. For the long bars we use in our classroom, we use 10-foot horizontal pipe, and they are 36 inches tall. This is a bar we use for the teacher to demonstrate in class, so it is still 36 inches tall, but it is much, much shorter, only 5 feet long. The complete list of parts you will need are 2 vertical pipes of the same length, 4 1-foot pipes for each foot, and 1 long pipe for the main section you hold on to. For all the connecting pieces, you will need a total of 6 90-degree elbow joints and 2 T-joints. Make sure you get the 1-inch variety of these couplings. Let's assemble one of the legs. Starting from the bottom, we need 2 1-foot pieces, and we'll screw those into the T-joint. I put 90-degree elbows at the end of each foot. This makes the bar much more stable on the ground. Once the foot is done, you can screw that into the leg. I recommend not screwing the 90-degree elbow on top of the leg because it's much easier to screw that into the horizontal bar and then screw the leg into the elbow joint. Now that we have both legs assembled, we simply screw the elbow joints onto the horizontal bar, then screw the legs on, and you're done.